Hello everyone, this is Tamer from ElliottWaveForex.com with another weekly review for the Euro-US dollar currency pair. The market moved generally sideways over this past week, apparently completing the contracting triangle we've been tracking in the fourth wave position of the current uptrend. My impression is that the triangle is now complete, or at least very near completion, which would place the market in a position for a continuation of the trend. But since triangles are pre-terminal patterns, meaning they appear in the next to last position of a trend, I wouldn't expect this continuation to be particularly long-lived. On the other hand, even though the triangle pattern is the most fitting count at this stage, it's not the only one possible for this correction. We may easily be looking at a more complex type of correction, and our alternate count covers this possibility, and the invalidation point of the main count serves also as a confirmation level for this alternate count. So let's begin as usual with a quick look at the big picture on the weekly chart, where we see that the euro is moving generally towards the upside in maroon wave B, which is forming an expanded flat labeled black waves A, B and C. And here we see that black wave C is forming an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5, where blue wave 3 is itself forming another impulse labeled pink waves 1 through 5, and once again pink wave 3 is forming an extension labeled green waves 1 through 5. Now zooming in for a deeper look, the main daily count sees that pink wave 4 is most likely forming a contracting running triangle labeled green waves A, B, C, D and E, which is either complete or very near completion. And so this count expects the euro soon to resume moving towards the upside in pink wave 5 to complete blue wave 3, and this will be largely confirmed by movement above 1.2036. So now at 1.2116, pink wave 5 would reach 61.8% the length of pink wave 1, then at 1.2274 it would reach 100% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement below 1.1837, as green wave E of this triangle may not move beyond the start of green wave D. Now, while this is our preferred count, there is an alternate count which sees that pink wave 4 is actually still unfolding as a double combination labeled green waves A, B and C. And here we see that green wave B is itself either forming another double combination labeled orange waves W, X and Y, or it may also be forming another type of contracting triangle, where this would be wave A, B, C, D and E. So let's go now with the simpler case of a double combination, which would see green wave B as complete right here. And so this count would expect the euro to continue moving towards the downside in green wave C to complete pink wave 4. And this will be confirmed by movement below 1.1837. So at 1.1789, green wave C would reach 100% the length of green wave A, then at 1.1636 it would reach 161.8% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.2036, and it's also invalidated by movement below 1.0906, as pink wave 4 of this impulse may not enter the price territory of pink wave 1. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.